Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to grow a lemon from seed. But first of all, press subscribe button below. So let's start. First of all, we need to remove seeds from the lemon and let them dry for 1 day. And then we have to remove the outer layer of the seeds as you seen in the video. And make sure not to damage the seeds. Do this with all the seeds. After this, fold the tissue as you seen and moist it with water. Then fold it from the another side and moist it again. Please make sure that your tissue is fully moist. Then put this in Ziploc bag and close it properly and keep this bag for 4 to 6 days in warm place. After 5 days, we will remove the tissue from the bag. You will see your lemon seeds are sprouted well. And now you are able to plant it. First of all, we need to make small holes in the potting mixture. You can see. And then place these seeds in these holes. If you have any question, then comments below. And please subscribe my channel if you like this video. After placing the seeds, cover it. Almost after 9 days, your sprouted seeds will start growing as you seen in the video. And now you can transplant these to different pots. Be careful with the roots of the tiny lemon plants. You can see that the roots are healthy. And now plant it in your pot and cover the roots as you seen in the video. Now moist your potting mixture. With this method, you can start growing your lemon from the seeds. And now subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.